Derivative of powers 1 minus 2x power 2 by 3, 1 minus 2x power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x power minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x power 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x power minus 6 by 7. Now take logarithm on both sides. Logarithm on both sides. We get log y equal to log 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x power 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x power minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 6x power 5 by 6, 1 plus 7x power minus 6 by 7. Log y, log a into b, log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. A by b అంటే మైనస్ ఇక్కడ బైలో ఉన్నది మైనస్ log 1 minus 6x power 5 by 6 minus log 1 plus 7x power minus 6 by 7. log y equal to log a plus log b minus log a minus log b. అదే ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈ పవర్స్ కూడా బయటకు వస్తాయి కదా లాగరిథమ్స్ లో. that is log y equal to 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x minus 3 by 4 log 1 plus 3x minus 5 by 6 log 1 minus 6x minus into minus plus 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x. Next, differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides. Both sides. That implies log y 1 by y dy by dx 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x 1 by 1 minus 2x in the derivative of 1 minus 2x minus 2. అలాగే minus 3 by 4 1 by 1 plus 3x in the derivative of 3x into 3. అలాగే minus 5 by 6 1 by 1 minus 6x in the derivative of 1 with 0 minus 6x minus 6 plus 6 by 7 in the derivative of 1 plus 7x 7. Next, minus 2 into minus 4 by 3 dy by dx into by into another y minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x minus 9 by 4 into 1 plus 3x 6 cancel plus 5 by 1 minus 6x 7 cancel 6 by 1 plus 7x. Findings given problem dy by dx equal to y అంటే సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 1 minus 2x power 2 by 3 1 plus 3x power minus 3 by 4 1 minus 6x power 5 by 6 1 plus 7x power minus 6 by 7 into minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x minus 9 by 4 into 1 plus 3x plus 5 by 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 1 plus 7x. That is derivative of powers ఉన్న model 1 minus 2x power 2 by 3 ఉంటే 1 plus 3x power minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x power 5 by 6 1 plus 7x power minus 6 by 7. Take log on both sides. We get log this one. Log a plus into log a b. Log a plus log b minus log c minus log b. Power by 2 just 2 by 3 log 1 minus 2x minus 3 by 4 log 1 plus 3x minus 5 by 6 log 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 7 log 1 plus 7x. Differentiating on both sides. Log 1 minus 2x 1 by 1 minus 2x in the derivative 1 by 1 plus 3x in the derivative 1 by 1 minus 6x in the derivative 1 by 1 plus 7x in the derivative. This by lo y into y value substitute. That is differentiating of. Next, if y equal to square root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 by x square 3x square plus 4x plus 5. find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. X is going to take log on both sides. That implies log y equal to log of this one. X minus 3, x square plus 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Log y equal to log of square root by 2, 1 by 2 log x minus 3 x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 log by 1 by 2 log a ఇంట్లోనే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది 1 by 2 log b minus 1 by 2 బైలో ఉన్నది మైనస్ అవుతుంది 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Next, differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides. We get log y 1 by y dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 log 1 x minus 3 1 by x minus 3 x minus 3 into 1 1 by 2 log x square plus 4 1 by x square plus 4 x square plus 4 divided into 2x minus 1 by 2 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by 3x square 6x plus 4x 4 dy by dx we by into all the by into 1 by 2 into x minus 3 2 cancel x is by x square plus 4 1 by 2 common is there 3x plus 2 cancel 3x square plus 4x plus 5 that is derivative of this one y అంటే y value ని రాస్తాం లేదా అలా ఉంచిన ప్రాబ్లం అంటే పవర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి టేక్ log on both sides log పవర్ 1 by 2 1 by 2 బయటకు వస్తుంది ఇంటూ లో ఉండగా log a plus log ab log a by b into log a minus log b minus 1 by 2 log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Next, differentiating on both sides. And they derive 1 by x minus 3, they derive 1 by x square plus 4, they derive 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Next one, third one, first find the derivative of the sin x power log x plus x power sin x. Sin x power log x plus x power sin x. Now, given that y equal to sin x power log x plus x power sin x, then let u equal to sin x power log x, v equal to x power sin x. And we will y on the u plus dy by dx on the dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. That is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Now take u equal to sin x power log x. Take log on both sides. Log on both sides. We get log u equal to log into power by goes to the log x into log sin x. Next, differentiating on both sides, we get 1 by u du by dx equal to log x into log sin x, log x into u into v dash plus log sin x into d by dx of log x and the u rule u into v dash plus d into u dash u into v dash plus v into u dash 1 by u du by dx log x d by dx of log sin x 1 by sin x మళ్ళీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఆఫ్ sin x 1 by sin x ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఆఫ్ sin x log of sin x d by dx of log x 1 by x du by dx equal to 1 by u cross multiplication అవుతుంది. log x by sin x d by dx of sin x cos x log x log sin x by x du by dx into 1 by u cross multiplication. u అంటే ఏంటి? sin x power log x du by dx equal to u అంటే ఏంటి? sin x power log x log x into cos x by sin x cot x plus log sin x by x, that is du by dx వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం అనుకోవాలి? dv by dx అనుకోవాలి. అంటే v equal to now v equal to x power sin x, that is log log v equal to sin x into log x. Next, differentiating on both sides. Log v 1 by v dv by dx sin x into d by dx of log x log x into d by dx of sin x. Next, 1 by v dv by dx sin x into d by dx of log x 1 by x log x into d by dx of sin x cos x. Next, dv by dx of the v cross multiply v cross multiply d by dx equal to v into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. అంటే dv by dx equal to v అంటే ఏంటి? x power sin x కదా, అదే చెప్పండి. x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x, that is dv by dx. Now dv by dx equal to dv by dx plus du by dx. అంటే du by dx is the sin x power log x cot x into log x plus log sin x by x plus dv by dx అంటే x power sin x by x plus cos x into log x, that is dy by dx. అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ u అనుకుంటా, u అని డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తాం. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ b అనుకుందాం, log అంటే అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత బోత్ సైడ్ డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే dv by dx వస్తుంది. du by dx వచ్చింది, dv by dx. from equation 1 dv by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, that is derivative of given problem. Second one, y equal to x power x power x x power x power x. Now take log on both sides. Log y equal to x power x into log x x power x into log x. Differentiating on both sides. We get log by 1 by y dy by dx equal to x power x into dy by dx of log x plus log x into dy by dx of x power x. That is equation number 1. Now x power x is derivative of 1. Let x power x f of x equal to x power x. Take log on both sides. Log f of x equal to x log x. Differentiating 1 by f of x derivative of dash x. You will do x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X derivative 1. That is f dash x equal to by f of x into f of x and then x power x by x 1 plus log x. f dash x వచ్చింది, దీని డెరివేటివ్ వచ్చింది, దీన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 1 by y into dy by dx equal to x power x log x derivative 1 by x log x power x derivative x power x into 1 plus log x, That implies dy by dx equal to y cross multiplication. X for x by x, x for x minus 1, x for x into 1 plus log x into log x. That is dy by dx equal to y and x for x for x, x for x minus 1, x for x into 1 plus log x into log x. That is derivative of x power x power x. Take log on both sides, x power x into log x, differentiating on both sides. We get log by 1 by dy by dx u by u. Here x power x derivative all. What is like f of x equal to x power x? Take log on both sides, we get f dash x control. And x power x into 1 plus log x. Down here some place. X power x derivative of log x 1 by x derivative of x power x into 1 plus log x. Here we take some y cross multiplication only. Y into x power x, x power x by x and x power x minus 1 remaining